In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an event private in Google Calendar. This can be particularly useful if you have sensitive details you'd prefer to keep hidden, or if you simply want more control over who has access to the information about your event. Let's dive in and get started with the steps to do this quickly and easily. First, you'll need to head over to your Google Calendar. To do that, open your preferred web browser and navigate to calendar.google.com. Once you're there, you should see your calendar with all your scheduled events displayed. Take a moment to locate the event you want to make private. Now once you've found it, go ahead and click on that event. This will open up a small window showing the event details, giving you a quick glance at what's been scheduled. But we're going to dig a bit deeper, so let's look for the pencil icon, which is usually located in the top section of this details window. Clicking this pencil icon will take you into the event editing mode, where you'll have more control over the event settings. Inside the editing page, you'll want to focus your attention on the default visibility settings. This drop-down menu is typically positioned near what looks like a briefcase icon. Sometimes you may need to scroll down a bit if you don't see it right away. Once you've located it, click on the drop-down. A list of visibility options will appear, and you'll want to select Private. Choosing this option ensures that the event can only be seen by you and those you have explicitly invited to the event. It won't be visible to anyone else who might have access to your calendar. After you've set the visibility to private, your final step is to save the changes you've just made. Look for the Save button, which is usually towards the top of your screen, and give it a click. This action updates the event's privacy settings and makes your event private as desired. And there you have it, your event is now private within Google Calendar. This process not only helps keep your personal or sensitive events away from prying eyes, but also gives you peace of mind knowing that your calendar items are fully within your control. I hope you found this guide helpful and that these steps were easy to follow. Remember, privacy is important, and with Google Calendar, maintaining it is simple when you know what settings to look for. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more helpful tips and tricks.